Good morning, everyone. So, new project. Bit of a different one. We don't usually do this kind of stuff, but we are doing some block paved edge and some gravel grid on a existing driveway that's already been prepped. So, I made a mistake. I ordered 50 blocks and I meant 350 blocks. Don't ask me why. We all make mistakes. So, I'll go and share the job in a minute, but we're only here to put the ACOs in today. So we'll just get that done. Got a digger coming just to scrape some of the MOT around to get it level, because it's not quite level. But I'll take you outside in a minute. We'll have a look. Not a massive drive, just to get something in. So we won't be here tomorrow, it'll be Thursday. We'll be here Friday when the blocks arrive. So we'll do what we can to do today. Better than just leaving it for the day and getting something done. And we're going for a bit of a heat wave. It's hot. Note the date, just so we know for next year. So I'll probably end up having tomorrow off. I'll do some admin work tomorrow, so that'd be nice, and then do it outside in the sunshine instead of working, I suppose. But I'll take it outside now and we'll have a look. Right, so on this bit of the driveway, you have a block pave border here, four blocks out there, all the way along, create a strip. Then around the perimeter with block paving up to the gate and around that area, some acres along there, and some gravel grid and gravel in the centre in black basalt gravel. The reason the acres are going is just more of a preventive measure, in case, you know what I mean, I didn't prep any of this, so we don't know what's going to happen, so putting there is just a preventive measure. But all that gravel grid in there, and once we're all done, get all the wash down, because when that gravel comes out, it comes a lot of dust on it, never really the true colour till you wash it down. And then we'll be done, but a bit of a funny one, having to wait for some blocks because I misordered them. So we're going to get a digger in just to scrape that bit a bit level, and then we'll be on the way. Just a little update here. So we've got all the blocks around nearly, got a few little bits to do around the corner because we're a bit short. The row of 4 woven run board in front as an entrance strip to this drive. I had to get a bit more MOT in as well. It was very low in that area. We've leveled that all up and whacked it. We've got 2 manholes just around the side to fit for it, and then we're ready for the gravel grid. So we'll do a time lapse of how the gravel grid's been put in. Big pallet of gravel grids just arrived. That's taller than me. 500 by 500 grids, 40mm depth, and all 20mm chippings. Thomas has just started laying it. So the idea of this is to stop the gravel from shifting when you drive on it. So they'll all sit inside and a bit of a cover on top as well, so when the driver won't rut or anything like that, and just helps take the weight and doesn't push the gravel to the one side. As you can see from Tom, is a nice and easy installation. Just got clips on it, clicked together. That's from a company called EcoDex. EcoDex gravel grid. They do a couple of different ones. They even do line markers as well, you know, that you pop in and make car parking spaces or anything like that. But yeah, I'm just finishing the blocks around there, and the gravel's coming on Thursday, and then we can get all that gravel in. Easy peasy. Right, I've got the gravel grid in now. Well, Tom's done most of it anyway. So this is all ready now for when the gravel comes. We're going to up the gate and everything all the way around the edge. We're going to have black basalt 20mm chippings in here. That's coming on Thursday. That's when we'll come back, and we'll get some footage of us spreading that about as well. And then you get to see the final look, and you shouldn't see any of this grid once it's done. It'll just cover it, and it'll get some stabilisation for running on with any kind of vehicle. So catch us then. Right, almost at the end, but basically at the end. Filled the gravel grids now with black basalt 20mm chip-ins. As you can see, we're just 2 tons short of them areas there because some areas are quite deeper than others. So we're going to come back Tuesday and fill those areas in. But it's basically done. So the gravel grids used were Eco Deck gravel grids, 40mm. The blocks were Bradstones and graphite woven rumboard. And they were all delivered, except for the Eco grids, but everything else was delivered from Frankie. And if you could give the channel a like and a subscribe, please, it really does help out. Let me know people are watching my stuff, and it does help me to produce more videos and better quality content as well. So get the notification icon as well, like and subscribe.